So guys, today we have got none other than the man himself, Elon Musk, in the house. And here is the question. As you can read, he is showing the question to all of us. A contractor signed a contract to finish certain piece of work in 40 days. Again, we have done this kind of question previously, and we know he hasn't finished the work yet. It's only he has taken this contract and he would finish it in 40 days. Initially he hired 150 workers. Fine. After 20 days he realized that work will not be finished on time. That means 150 workers at least worked for 20 days. And then what happens? He again hired 50 more workers and work finished on time. So 200 people worked for 20 more days. Now this is the concept of man days. We'll add them, we'll get particular man days, and then if he had not hired extra workers, then how many days would have been the work would have been delayed by? What does that mean? That means 150 workers would work from the start till the end, and let's say the work would be delayed by, let's say, X days. And then now we are proceeding with the answer here. So the question says, we already have seen what question says. A contractor signed a contract to finish certain piece of work in 40 days. Fine. Initially he hired 150 workers. After 20 days he realized that work will not be finished on time. So 150 workers are working for 20 days. 150 workers are working for 20 days. And then he again hired 50 more workers. That means workers are 200 now, and finishes the work on time. So 40 were the total days that he has to finish the work. So again he would be taking another 20 days. Now let's see how it goes. For man days, we all know it would be 3000, and this would be 4000. The total would be 7000. Okay, let's see what the question says other than this. If he had not hired extra workers, that means 150 workers were working from the beginning. Fine, 150 workers were working from the beginning, and if he does not hire any other workers, those other 50 workers, then for how many days work would have been delayed by? We would say, let's say work would be delayed by X days. Fine, work would be delayed by X days. Now the total man days would be 150 into X, and we already know the man days, so that is 7000. You do the maths and you'll get 140 by 3. So if you want to know when would 150 men would finish the work, then it would be 140 by 3, which would be 46 and 2 by 3. Now if the question is saying that tell me the days that the work would have been delayed by, 40 days were the exact days in which he had to finish the work, and the work is delayed by 6 and 2 by 3, which is 20 by 3 basically. So the work would be delayed by 20 by 3 days. And if you want to know when would 150 men would finish the work, so option A is the right answer, 140 by 3 days. And ignore this 3 days and 3 days and all. Yeah, thanks for watching.